This here's the 2013 Ram 1500, silver in color. Pretty much a brand new truck. Has the very small hood scoop on it. Got the black and chrome front grille, chrome bumper. Looking at the tire tread, still got excellent tread on the tires. Chrome door handles. On the driver's side door on the inside, you got the power windows, power locks, and the power mirrors, along with the cloth interior. Showing that it's still got the Sirius XM radio, twist knob to put it into drive, reverse, and neutral. On the steering wheel, you've got the cruise control, along with the trailer brake assistance, and the menu options for the speedometer and the temperature gauge and everything else. You've got a button right up here in the top in the middle for the sliding rear window in the back. On the passenger side, you got the power locks and the power window on that side. On the back, just showing that it is the SLT edition. It does come with the hitch receiver. Once again, it's a 2013 Ram 1500 SLT with the V6.